So we've managed our first print statement. We've got print and we've got a string. What we can do in Python is we can join strings together. That might sound a bit weird at the moment, but trust me, later it's a very important feature. So, for example, if I wanted to print hello world, and instead of just having the whole thing, if I had hello as a string and then world as a string, so I've got a string called hello and a string called world, I could join those together with a plus symbol. We are not adding as in maths, that means concatenation, and it is joining the two together. So if I now run that program, it will do exactly the same thing. It will just print hello world. Now you may notice that we have lost the space there because we've joined it together. There is no space at all between the O and the W. I would need to physically put the space in, run the program to get back our original hello world. At the moment I'm just going to take that space out and I'm going to join a few more. You can join as many string literals or strings as you like. This, join it to is, join it to, whoops, forgot to join, is a, join it to string. So we can join as many strings together, and when Python runs the print statement, it will take this and it will join them together. So let's take a look. There we go, not the prettiest thing on earth. We've got no space there and we've got no space in between any of these. But it worked. So that's the first one, concatenation, joining a string. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join this string in a different way, and I want you to notice the difference. First of all, I'm going to take that space out of there for the world and run this program so that we can see what happens. There we go. Hello world, this is a string. All together, there is no spaces. If I take out the plus symbol and substitute it for a comma, this is a second way of joining my string together, and you should notice the difference when we actually print the statement out. So a comma works just a little bit differently to a plus symbol when joining things together. So let's run my program, and there we go. Hello world, this is a string. All have a space between them. So the comma joins them together and puts a space in. The comma is going to be one of our big friends when we're printing statements out. It does something a little bit different. So in the next video, we're going to look at different kinds of data type. We're going to take a look at strings and we're going to take a look at numbers, and we're going to try and join those together. And there has to be a very special way of doing it.